In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Reddit no sound. If you've ever opened a Reddit video and seen it playing perfectly but heard absolutely nothing, don't worry, this is usually very easy to fix. I'll walk you through the exact checks you need to do so you can get your audio working again in just a few moments. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account and open a post that contains a video. It can be any subreddit and any video post. We just need something to test with. Once the video is on your screen, look closely at the lower left corner of the video player. You should see a small speaker icon there. If that icon shows that the sound is muted, click it once. As soon as you do, a volume slider should appear right above or next to that icon. Drag the volume slider upward to increase the volume to a comfortable level. Sometimes the slider is set really low, even when the speaker icon looks active, so sliding it up is important. After that, play the video again and listen to see if the sound is now working. If you can hear it, you've solved the problem right there. If you still don't hear anything, the next thing to check is your device's overall volume. On your computer or phone, make sure the system volume is turned up and not muted. On a laptop or desktop, check the volume icon in the taskbar or menu bar and verify it's not at 0 or muted. If you're using external speakers or headphones, confirm they're properly connected and turned on, and that your system is actually sending audio to the right output device. For example, your headphones instead of your built-in speakers. Next, take a look at your browser tab. Some browsers allow you to mute specific websites. Right-click on the Reddit tab at the top of your browser window. In the menu that appears, look for an option related to muting. If you see Unmute Site, that means Reddit is currently muted in your browser. Click Unmute Site, then go back to the video and try playing it again. If you instead see Mute Site, that tells you the site is not muted at the browser level, so you can leave that setting as it is. Once you've checked the in-video speaker icon, your device volume, and your browser tab mute option, you should have your Reddit video sound working properly, and that's it.